Alright, so now let's get into the important thing, and this is the appointment type. So it default sets up an appointment called consultation, and here you can see there's new types, and you can do add-ons. This is upsells and coupons, right? So let's talk about the first thing. Let's just talk about the original consultation. This is a one-on-one meeting. This is a basic book a meeting with me type thing, right? So you can change it, consultation, one-on-one call, something like that. You can add a longer description. Call direct with me, one-on-one. I'm really rubbish at English, aren't I? Show a message afterwards. Thanks for scheduling a call. All the information you need will be emailed to you. Right? We go here, look, duration 50 minutes. So let's just change it. Say it's a 30 minutes. But whenever I've got a call, when I've got something booked in, I want 15 minutes to be before it, and I want 15 minutes after it to be blocked off, right? I want to give myself time to prep to talk to that person. You might not need it. You might not need it after. You might need more or less, right? So basically this 30-minute meeting is going to block your time off for an hour, and then you can, decide what price it is. You can change it to dollars or whatever it is in settings. Color, I'm going to go blue. Picture, I haven't got any pictures set up. While the computer's on. Let me put my ugly mug on this. Pull website. Here we go. Use that really goofy photo. Access. So basically, you can make it a public schedule so people can see it on the full booking list as an appointment they can book, or you can make it private. And if somebody says, "Oh, I want to do a one-on-one call with you," you would make it private and then send them the direct link and say, "Well, here's the link to book a private session," but it isn't on your public list. Then you can decide, is it a group? Is it a group event? And how many people are allowed to join? Clients must sign up if that's a multiple. Clients must sign up for all times offered. At the exact time where classes are offered, booking. Yeah. So people have to sign up for everything, but it's how many people are allowed to. So we're just going to leave that off for now. Update appointment, right?